Hello friends, welcome back to the YouTube channel. This is Rahul Chowre and today we are going to see how to use the palette command in Creoparametric. So let's get started. Open your Creoparametric software and then take the new file, and in this window just select part as a type and solid as a subtype, and then untick this tick mark and click on the OK. Again next window will be pop up here. This is the millimeters. Click on this millimeters, click on OK. This indicates all dimension we are going to perform in the millimeters. Okay, now this is the interface. Here are different types of planes are there. This is the front plane, top plane and right plane. Okay, like this. Click on the front plane and just click on the model and take this sketch command, and here this is the click on this sketch view. Okay, now we are in the sketch view. Click on the sketch. All these are active commands. I have made the single video for single command on this, all the ribbons, whatever the commands you are watching on this screen. Okay, so today's video is on the palette. Here is the command palette. Okay, so in this just click on this palette command, click on OK again. Okay, now here you can see different types of shapes are you can get directly here. Okay, so first of all take this profiles. Okay, most of the times in the fabrication industry you want these different types of profiles: I section, C section, beam, L shape, T shape. Okay, so these are different types of shapes available over here in profile, in documents. If you click on shapes, different shapes are over here, like oval shape is there, cross shape. Click on the stars, different star shapes also are available here, up to 20 tip stars. Okay, if you click on the polygons, here you can see the triangle, rectangle, polygons and hexagons are available here. Okay, this hexagon command, this 6-sided hexagon is mostly used to draw or to model the nut or bolts. Okay, so here just different types of shape are available here, and you just have to, here you can see here the profile, shapes, polygons. I will show you this. Just click on this command, just click and drag to this interface. Okay, or you can double click on this like this. Here the command is activated. Just take the any point over here. I will take this point. Here you can see the hexagonal shape is created by the system over here. Okay, like this. From here you can rotate, from here you can control the dimensions. Okay, like this. Just double click aside or press middle mouse button. After pressing middle mouse button aside of the drawing, automatic dimension will be generated by the system. Here is the 42 and here is the 177, like this. From this coordinate, this is the main origin. Okay, here you can see these are the axis, x axis, y axis and z axis. So dimensions are created from here. Just move your cursor aside of the drawing and just click on your middle button of the mouse and just hold it and then move. Here you can see. Okay, here we have drawn these planes are showing here. Here you can zoom, or here you can see this is the x axis, this is the y axis and this is the z axis. Okay, after again you can, if you click on this sketch view, you will be in the normal view of the sketch. Okay, and now then after, okay, this is all about this. Just about palette command. Just close this and then go to sketch and just click on the OK, and then go to sketch, click on this command, refit. Okay, so refit view is there, and then again click on the model and here you can see. Okay, so thank you very much friend for watching this video.